Now, make una see now, we go eat the goosey soup, and I don't see now. Make una see the ingredients. Now pepper be this, so tomatoes, onions, spinach. Ngwana na Egwusi be this, but if una no get Egwusi, make una take melon seeds, make una grind them like this. And this one a towel now, towel. And inside this pot now, I don't start to cook the chicken and all the thing where I go put inside there to make the soup sweet. Wow. So as I don't do this now, what thing I go do now? This towel I go chop them in little pieces. When I don't see now, I get this thing what they call Maggi, but this one they call them soy sauce, coconut, and some crispy thing. I also get some garlic where I don't already put inside there. When I cook up finish now, and I go see, but I will give you more information. This meat now where I call towel, the thing where you're not supposed to do after I don't put and season, I need to cut them real well, small, chop them like this. Make when I take knife where they good because when you don't want knife when they good, no go fit chop them real well like that, small, because when I put them inside the pot, the towel go it good make when I fit eat them, like a tanta. But I know how tanta be now, so tanta na good thing. Okay, so make when I just cut them a little small like that. Mine on a hand, making no cut on a hand, but because when you grab one of this stuff and you get one of the meat, you're supposed to chop them with the Garri or the Amala. Which one I want? And as I don't cut the thing finish, I go put them back inside the pot, the container where I put them, and then I go put soy sauce and other things. And after I don't put them finish, then I go carry and put inside the hot soup way, water way they will get chicken and everything inside there, the basting they call them. And that one too, if when I want, and I feel use beef stock. Beef stock now, something where you already don't use, then use bone or something, flavor the thing, so it go easy for them to cook them by myself. So as I put them in his hand, I go turn the thing, so all the flavor where they inside there go be inside there. And then next thing what I go do, all right now, as I don't put the thing everywhere, so what now I go put inside here now soy sauce, making a some kikkoman soy sauce. So I go open the soy sauce, carry the thing, put inside here, put them a little seasoning, because again, remember the whole thing they say you want this thing to sweet well, and if it's sweet and you get different flavor, then you go better when you chop them with Garri, or chop them with moi, or chop them with Amala. Okay, so after I don't turn them well, I go just leave them for a little bit, and then I go turn them as I start to put them inside the pot. Now the pot they boil, so now what I go do, I go open the pot. Now I go start to drop the towel inside there like this, You see, I don't already put oil inside there, put seasoning and put all kinds of things where they good. I go carry all the thing, put inside there, and after I don't put them, I go let them boil for another 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, as I cut them now, it means say it go easy for the thing to boil, and when it boil, it go they soft. So that's the important thing is the preparation of the food. They're very important. Okay, so as that one done there now, what thing I go do now? I go just cover them, and I go bring the stove to high. Then I go set them for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now you set the thing off for 45 minutes, and the thing will start. You see now, 45 minutes. See now, Garri will be this. Now be mashed potato, either one potato. Again, if when I get Garri, when I get Amala, now we want to eat this soup. So make you get your Garri ready. Go put water to start to boil them. I show you the water now. What I tell now, go put water, make the water boil, and this is the water where I go take, cook the mashed potato. Or when I get Amala, when I get Garri, when I use my own water, do them. All right, see now, the thing done they cook now. When I see. Chicken day there, towel day, assorted meats. Okay, so that's what they cook now. So I go let the thing boil, like I tell you, for 45 minutes to maybe even 50 minutes. Okay, I go cover the thing again, make it boil. I see now pepper be this, so now Maggi, this one na cayenne pepper and then garlic. So I go carry this thing then put inside here. So make when I see as I go put them inside now. I go take small garlic. Put inside, just small like that. And then I go carry this pepper one I see, and I crush red chili pepper. Then go make them sweet well. I go carry some put like this, you know, generously. And then after I don't put that one now, I go come put some cayenne pepper. Put a little generous cayenne pepper. And then after I don't put all that, I go carry the thing cover, make it still the boil. As I tell on about Garri, if I don't get Garri, when I feel use something where they call grits, not like Garri, okay? Or like I like to use mashed potato. Either when I use grits, when I use mashed potato. Done the cook now. When I see it like 33 minutes, so 10 minutes where you done the cook, so I go turn the thing a little bit. You know, again, I don't put more seasoning. It's still the cook. You know, the objective is to make the thing make it soft. So when you eat them, it goes sweet well. Okay? So I'm continue to cook. So when I see that some of the seasoning there inside, you know, you see the red peppers and all that stuff. When I see them now, okay. So what did I go do now? As the thing they cook now, I go add the onions. I go add all the onions what I don't cut and the cilantro. So I don't add the onions and cilantro. I go turn them a little bit. You know, you see as it done the take shape. Let me see now. Okay. So I go cover the thing again, make it continue to cook. Back when I know, so I go put tomatoes inside here. I go put tomatoes. So if when I get one small can of tomatoes, maybe I just open them. You know, after when I open the tomatoes, just carry the tomatoes, put inside there. When I go see as I go take put them. That's why I don't open them now. I go carry the tomatoes, put inside there. So carry a spoon like that. Carry the tomatoes, put inside. Put them around the corner. After I go one whole can of small tomatoes paste. Okay. Some people can put tomato sauce, but I like the paste because it will help thicken the soup. You know. Put the tomato paste, carry out the thing, put so you get everything inside there. And then after I don't put the tomato paste, what I go do now? I go take this one, turn them around a little bit, so it go all over the soup like that. Understand? It will change the color a little bit. Yes. So I don't put the tomato paste. I don't turn them. Stir the thing a little bit. Okay. And then as I stir the thing, all the flavor will enter inside. All right. So some see say the color don't change a little bit. As the color don't change now, the next thing what I go do, I go put the Egwusi or melon seed. I will slowly put them like this. You understand? And after I don't put them, I will just turn the thing a little bit. See how the thing don't take shape? I go turn them. And after I turn them, the next thing what I go put inside there, now this habanero pepper. This one is really solid pepper where they very hot. But it's good as you eat this kind of soup to have solid pepper. As you don't turn and finish, I go carry the tomatoes where I don't cut. Put inside there for seasoning. Okay? So then I go just cover this thing, make it cook. Like that. As soon as I see the water down the boil now it's time to make on a Garri. This one they cook already. So the first thing I go do, I go carry small margarine, put inside this. Like a teaspoon of margarine is good, okay? Then I go put small thing of milk, just a little bit. Maybe 3 or 4 teaspoons of milk. I go just let the thing boil, okay? As the thing they boil, and I go wait, I go come back outside, don't boil, then I go start to put this. Now so I go make the mashed potato. Okay, so I go measure what I go use for this mashed potato. So this bowl what you see is about 2.5 cups. So I go full up all the way, 2.5 cups for mashed potato. If when I get plenty people who I want to share this meal with, and I fit 2 sizes of this, so that will be about 5 cups. Okay, 5 cups. I beg you, make not finish a whole carton of mashed potato because I'm hungry. Make not stop. What thing they happen, self? Now just put the stove for medium heat. And then try to cover the thing a little bit like that and let it bring it to boil. It's not already boil, but you want a medium heat before you go then slowly put this inside, okay? As it boil now, I go come back and put them inside and I go see how it will be. As you can see, it don't start to boil, right? So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start stirring the stuff slowly, and as I'm stirring it, I'm pouring the potato gently as I'm stirring it. But be careful because this thing feel very hot and it will hot and it will do you for face. Next you know you're gonna cry before you even get your Garri wey you go eat. You don't want to cry or beg or not gonna no cry. Okay. So you see as I pour, I'm small, and I'm stirring the thing small, making sure the thing is evenly stirred like that. Small, no be rush. You stir it very small. And as I stir them, you can also reduce the heat a little bit like that. And you keep stirring, as you can see, it's thickening a little bit. You want an even mashed potato, you don't want lumps inside there. Okay? So you keep stirring, and now you can still stir it aggressively like that. Okay? See, as I don't stir them well. You never finish it, but remember, the key is to make the thing way good so somebody can eat Garri with them. You understand? You can eat the soup. Enjoy them. Okay, so as you see, it's bringing itself to boil. This is the stage where you have to then lower the thing a little bit before it done the boil. Okay, now you have to start stirring it real quick, like this. You have to stir it real quick because you don't want the thing to start spattering all over your face. Next you know you're gonna cry. No can I no cry, you don't. So when I come back now, I go show them how it be. It don't take it, you know. It don't take in, remember it have the margarine or butter. It also has a little bit of milk, and the thing don't take in. So all you do now is just do that to it. You know, and after you do that, you just lower the heat. You cover the thing, and that is your mashed potato. See how the soup look now. Look when I see now. See as the thing look now. It does go to Tripe. It goes sweet to Tripe. God. Look when I see now. See this kind of soup. Tripe. Okay. So what I go do now? I go turn them again. The thing don't turn well. I go cover them again. Turn them now with big spoon. Okay. So as you can see, it's nice and thick. You see that? It's nice and thick. When you grab one, you see chicken. You see, you know, small other things with the inside there. Okay, you see the meats, you see the tomatoes. Now what I go do, I go put the spinach inside. All right, I go put the spinach and I go turn them. Now I go lower the heat a little bit. As I don't turn the spinach, you can see this thing don't thicken. That's why you have to have a plan to thicken the thing and have all the meat work with the soup. And then I'm gonna let it cook for the final 15 minutes. The good thing about this now, see as it did. You can use red hots or this kind of salsa to eat the thing, okay? Again, this is a very good meal as I see. It don't take that much to cook, but it's just the preparation and the enjoyment we're gonna benefit from this kind of thing. I'm very good now. Where can I come back now? I'm gonna see as I will take eat them. Okay, now I'm gonna see. So to eat this kind of soup, you just need spoon now. I don't already wash my hand. I recommend I wash hand, you know. First thing what I go try to taste this thing. Chineke na. This is delicious thing, oh. Check. But to really enjoy this now, I have to use my hand. Use my hand now. Check. This thing's sweet though. Chai. It's sweet well. I'm gonna see the number now what they talk about. Hmm? I go put small soy sauce now. You see, small soy sauce. And then you can also lick the soup like this. But when I want the recipe for this thing now, we're gonna type Nama. Nama for the comment section. Nama. Nama. So make una enjoy now. Next time I go teach you how to cook okra soup. Ngwa. Okay. The boy did that again. The boy did that. The boy did that. The boy did that.